How are you, my dear learners? In this video, I'm going to share a fantastic AI tool that can help you to write your literature review without having a high score in plagiarism or similarity index. Let's find out what is that fantastic AI tool. My dear learners, Stanford University, they invented a new AI tool for literature review and for new article writing. For example, this is called the Storm AI, create a new article. Now, for our simplicity, I would like to first mention the title of this research. The title of the research is Can E-Government Reduce Public Sector Corruption? As that is my research title. After that, what you have to do is just go to the context and you need to write, please write a literature, write a literature review on this title using references and references. Let's say this is my context and then I say start. Okay. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes time to write your literature review. In the meantime, once you open the Storm, they will ask you to join the Storm using the Gmail account. So you should log in using your Gmail account. Once you log in, as you can see, this is my Gmail account. Once you log in, it will come to this particular feature, or you can say interface. And in that particular case, first you put the title and then you write the context. And you write the context what you want. You want a literature review, you want a methodology, you want a systematic literature review, or anything that you want, you put that in the context. Once you put the context and the right title, the Storm will start their working. Now, okay, yeah, you can see the summary is already written. This is the literature review on my title. You can see theoretical framework, e-government and corruption dynamics, framework of analysis, key variable influencing corruption reduction, implication for developing countries, e-government implementation, meaning that a detailed literature review, it can write for you without making any problem, and each and every cases, it gives you the referencing. If you click the referencing, you see where this paper coming from. You can see the title of the paper, the role of e-government in combating corruption. You can see the reference link also given. So each and every paper that it has used, it gives you a detailed literature reference, and you can see a detailed literature review has been given on the basis of your title. Fantastic, right? Now I can click show as PDF and it will create a PDF file for you, something like this. And I can download this PDF. Once I download the PDF, I go to the I authenticate plagiarism detector software. I go to upload it. I would like to check how much percentage of plagiarism or similarity index it actually shows. Without doing anything, just click this one and say upload. And let me see how much plagiarism or similarity index it shows. Because as you know, in the chat GPT or Jenny.ai or emu.ai, anywhere, there are not free. These are paid version. And this is completely free. Even though there are some AIs are paid version, they tends to give you a lot of plagiarized version. So now you can see the e-government file that I just uploaded is coming with the 13% plagiarization or similarity index. If I click this one, you see, my dear learners, normally less than 15% plagiarism or similarity index is acceptable around the research community. Less than 15%. If you can reduce it to 10% to 8%, that will be fantastic. But you can use this tool for your writing. For example, here, if you can see, this is the content. There are some tweaking needed. You can tweak using the quillboard or any other paraphrasing if you want. Or this is, you see, almost free of plagiarization. And the references are all given in 1 to 9. All the references are given in your PDF file. So most of the cases, it is less than 50%, which is acceptable in the research community. You can try to tweak and reduce few lines. For example, in this particular case, you can reduce few lines using some open source paraphrasing tools. And once you've done it, maybe let's say 8 to 10%, you are good to use that particular piece of work in your research article. And you can always give a referencing at the end or a note at the end that you have used strong AI produced by the Stanford University, produced by the Stanford University for us to create article. For example, if I click the new session, you can see create a new article. So it is made for creating new article in a Wikipedia based system. And as you can see, how I create the article, download it using plagiarism software. It comes to 13%, which is less than 15%. You can use a little bit of open source paraphrasing and make it 10 to 8 to 10%, and that will be sufficient for you to use in your research article. And this is created by the Stanford University, so obviously they have keep in mind that it is following the academic ethics while you are using this AI for free. I hope this video is useful for you. Strong AI, you can use it for your research purposes without having high plagiarism or similarity text. Thank you, my dear learners. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.